Hello, welcome to Woo Tales.
Hi everyone, welcome. Today we're going to be learning all about colours. Today's colours are going to be pink, indigo and violet. The colour pink is made by mixing red and white together. Let's look at some things which are pink. Cherry blossom, carnations. Pigs are pink, and so are flamingos. Coral can be the colour pink. Candy floss is pink. There are quite a few fruits which are pink, including dragon fruits, guava, which is pink in the middle, and lychees. These macaroons are also pink. Another animal which is pink is a salamander called an axolotl. The next colours we're going to look at are indigo and violet. If you remember how to make purple, we mix red and blue together. Now the colour violet is made by mixing more of the red together with the blue. So it's more of a lighter shade of purple. And indigo is made by mixing more of the blue with the red, which means it's more of a darker blue colour. Let's look at some things which are indigo coloured. Jeans are usually the colour of indigo. The dye is usually used to colour denim clothes. There are quite a few birds who are indigo. Gemstones, including sapphires, and blueberries are an indigo colour. And outside of a fig is indigo, as well as the outside of an aubergine. Let's look at the colour violet. There are quite a few flowers which are the colour violet, including lilacs and crocuses. Also pansies and other flowers. A gemstone called amethyst is also a violet colour. And this purple cauliflower is a violet colour too. So now you've learned all about the colours pink, indigo and violet. We hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Our next video will be about learning the colours of the rainbow. Thank you for watching Ruru Tales. Please like and subscribe.